Tamil curry, with its rich history and cultural influence, has undergone a remarkable renaissance due to the introduction of chili and new vegetables and plants by the Portuguese in the Tamil Islets Colony off the Jaffna Peninsula. This infusion of new ingredients brought about a significant transformation in the traditional Tamil curry, elevating it to new heights of flavor and complexity. The Portuguese, who initially introduced these culinary elements, eventually handed over control of the peninsula and the islets to the Dutch. Both ruled the region for approximately 3 centuries. During the Dutch rule, the Tamil curry continued to evolve and adapt, incorporating various influences and techniques from both the Portuguese and the Dutch. This period witnessed the birth of the world's first curry powder, a unique blend that combined the flavors and spices of Tamil and Portuguese cuisines. This Tamil-Portuguese blend became the foundation of the modern Tamil curry, setting it apart from other regional curries. In 1796, the British took control of the Jaffna Peninsula and merged it with the southern part of the Ceylon island to establish British Ceylon in 1833. This marked a new chapter in the culinary history of Tamil curry. The Tamil community in Ceylon, now under British rule, experienced 450 years of European influence, which further shaped the unique post-Chilli era curry. The British brought their own culinary traditions and ingredients, adding new dimensions to the already diverse Tamil curry. Meanwhile, in the Indian subcontinent, the Tamil community was only under British rule. The term, Indian curry, emerged to refer to the pre-Chilli era curry, which was introduced to Bangladesh by Clive Roberts and his soldiers in the mid-18th century. This distinction emphasizes the regional variations and historical context of Tamil curry, highlighting its strong connection to specific cultures and time periods. It also addresses the confusion in the UK that has resulted in the current curry crisis. Presently, Tamil curry, encompassing chicken curry, serves as a symbol of the lasting heritage resulting from centuries of culinary ingenuity and customs. The distinctive amalgamation of tastes and seasonings exemplifies how British inventive concepts like chicken tikka masala were essentially a reinterpretation of the already existing rich history and cultural importance within the Tamil community. Every bite of Tamil curry, including chicken curry recipe, Indian chicken curry, and chicken curry with coconut milk, is a journey through time, encapsulating the diverse influences and historical milestones that have shaped this beloved dish. For those seeking an authentic culinary experience spanning over 3,000 years, Tamil curry, including chicken curry, is an absolute must-try. Its flavors, including chicken curry, tell a story that transcends borders and connects people to the vibrant tapestry of Tamil culture. The curry research, including chicken curry, chicken tikka masala, and chicken curry recipes, should not be limited to British India alone. It should also include British Ceylon to gain a more comprehensive understanding of its history. Since the Tamils have traditional habitats in both India and Sri Lanka, studying the evolution of curry, including chicken curry, in both regions would reveal its diverse culinary heritage. This broader approach, including chicken curry Indian, would help researchers identify similarities and differences, trace cultural influences, and explore how regional variations have shaped the development of curry, including chicken curry with coconut milk, over its extensive 3,000-year history. By including British Ceylon, the study can provide a more holistic perspective on the evolution of curry, including chicken curry.